greetings to everyone. Blessings to my children, my students, and warm wishes to family of Vidyanjali. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day and lots of blessing to my children. Children, the best moment for a teacher is to be with the students, and I have been relishing this all through these years of my service, and for this I thank all my children and my workplace for giving me the pleasure of teaching. Children, I am awaiting for a day when you all are being rewarded and giving awards, and I'll be there. I'll be present on the day to see all these things, and I feel proud at the moment that I was a teacher of you when you were kids. I will feel very proud of you all, and that is the thing where I feel very happy. Once again, I wish you all good success, and on this occasion of Teachers' Day, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers, and thanking you once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day. According to me, teaching is not just a profession. It is actually a way of life of a teacher, which includes footprints of each and every child. Thank you.
What is it to be a teacher? Being a teacher is being a constant learner, always young at heart. Being a teacher gives you an opportunity to influence young minds and touch young hearts, and the love you get back from them is priceless. I love teaching, I enjoy teaching, and I'm proud to be a teacher. Thank you.
Patience, compassion, kindness, tolerance, and dedication. These are the virtues which a teacher possesses. We have to possess all these virtues because we shape the future generation of our world. It not only changes children's life, but teaching changes our lives too. I would like to take this opportunity to bow my head and respect all the teachers who are defying all the odds, adapting new ways, learning new techniques of teaching in the pandemic situation. On the behalf of Sri Vidyanjali family, I would like to wish all the teachers a very special Teachers' Day on this occasion. Thank you very much, and I am proud of being a teacher.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ముందుగా ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ సందర్భంగా మన మాజీ రాష్ట్రపతి శ్రీ అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారి విలువైన మాటలను మీతో పంచుకోవాలని ఉంది. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో ఎన్ని వందల వృత్తులున్నా వారందరినీ తయారు చేసేది ఉపాధ్యాయ వృత్తి. అందుకే ఆ వృత్తి అంటే నాకెంతో గౌరవం అని ఆ మహానుభావుడు చెప్పారు. అలానే అజ్ఞానాంధకారాన్ని తొలగించి జ్ఞానజ్యోతిని వెలిగించే గురుతర బాధ్యత గల ఈ ఉపాధ్యాయ వృత్తిలో నాకు కలిగే అనుభూతి అనిర్వచనీయమైనది. మరొకసారి గురువులందరికీ గురు పూజా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. You are a true inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to work along with you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the lovely teachers on birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. In these pandemic situations, technology is making a key role, but I believe that technology is just a tool. But teachers are making the children to motivate and encourage. So once again, I want to wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day.
Hi everyone, happy Teachers' Day to all. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Thank you.
शिक्षक दिवस की आप सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। एक शिक्षिका बनकर मैंने जाना कि पहले सर्वप्रथम हमें बच्चों की माँ बनना पड़ेगा, जिससे हम उनका विश्वास जीत पाए। डांट डपट कर बच्चों में बदलाव नहीं आता, प्यार और स्नेह से बच्चों में बदलाव आता है। इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है शिक्षिका में संयम और सहनशीलता होना। इसलिए हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hello everyone. First and foremost, I want to wish all our team members and principal ma'am a very happy Teachers' Day. Today is a very great day.
బడి బాధ్యత భవిష్యత్తును పరిచయం చేసిన నా గురువులకు నమస్కరిస్తూ మీ అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. I feel blessed I feel very proud to be a teacher.
I wish you all happy Teachers' Day. As a teacher, I feel teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual.
Good morning everyone. Teaching is the profession which enhances our skills and at the same time gives us great satisfaction and pleasure. Spending time with kids, interacting and having fun with them is the best part in teaching profession. If the efforts we put into a child gives them a success at any point of their life or helps them to become a better individual, that is all we expect for. It fills our hearts with joy. Finally, I would like to thank each and every person who guided me throughout my journey and made me what I am today, including my colleagues and Principal Ma'am. I wish you very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hello ma'am. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day to all the SVS teachers as well as the teachers who I knew from my childhood.
Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I enjoy teaching the most. Communication with children is amazing and gives me a lot of energy. Proud to be a part of Vidyanjali. Thank you.
I'm happy to take up teaching as my profession, and I really thank Principal Ma'am to give me this opportunity to spread my knowledge. Thank you.
A very wish a happy Teachers' Day for all.
I'm very proud to be a teacher because teaching is the one profession that creates all the professions. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Namaste. A very happy Teachers' Day to everyone. I feel very proud to be a teacher. Why? Because I take this responsibility on my shoulders to build these raw kids' future into a responsible citizen. I owe myself to all my gurus and my teachers who encouraged me to become a teacher and enter into this profession.
सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मुझे अपने शिक्षक होने पर बहुत गर्व है, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि शिक्षक समाज में एक कुम्हार की तरह होता है, जो कच्ची मिट्टी को आकार देकर उसे समाज में उपयोगी बनाता है। उसी तरह शिक्षक भी आने वाले समाज के एक अच्छे भविष्य का निर्माण करता है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि ये जो जिम्मेदारी मुझ पर है, मैं उसे पूरी निष्ठा और आस्था के साथ पूरा कर सकूं। धन्यवाद।
Happy Teachers' Day to respected Principal Ma'am and all the teachers. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
Dear all, we will be very thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you have put in to make Vidyanjali what is today. Happy Teachers' Day.
No Google or technology can replace a teacher ever. Happy Teachers' Day.
Wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day. Today I would like to share how I feel being a teacher. For me, being a teacher every day is a learning day. For me, I learn every day from people, family, difficulties and my situations and my students. So the things and lessons I learn every day get ingrained in my mind. In the same way and at the same time, my children also learn in their own way and things get ingrained in their minds. I believe I must sincerely share with my students these impressions in my mind are genuine, and so I teach from my bottom of my heart.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. And I wishes to all the teachers. Thank you.
सबको नमस्कार। एक शिक्षिका के रूप में मैं यह जानना जरूरी समझती हूँ कि बच्चे क्या सोचते होंगे, कैसे सोचते होंगे और उनकी मदद कैसे की जा सकती है। जब कोई बच्चा स्कूल में आता है तो कोरा कागज नहीं होता है और ना ही खाली है जिसे ज्ञान से भर दे, बल्कि वह एक समझ के साथ स्कूल में आता है। मुझे ऐसी विधि अपनानी चाहिए जिसमें सीखने के अवसर अधिक मिले। इसमें मुझे सफलता तब मिल सकती है जब मैं बच्चों को समझूं, उनकी रुचि और जरूरतों को समझूं। धन्यवाद और मेरी तरफ से सबको शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teacher. You deserve the best. Once again, wishing you all Happy Teachers Day.
As a maths teacher, the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
గురువందనం ద్వారా మీ అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. కొండ వంటి విద్య నుంచి కొంత ఏరుతూ మధురంగా మార్చివేసి మనసులోకి పంపుతూ అజ్ఞానపు నల్ల పొరలు ఒకటొకటిగా తెంపుతూ విజ్ఞానపు మల్లె మొగ్గ రేకులన్నీ విప్పుతూ నిదరోయిన శక్తినంతా తట్టి లేపుతూ ఉత్సాహపు విత్తులెన్నో దారి వెంట నాటుతూ ఈ జన్మకు సార్థకము చెప్పిన మా గురుమూర్తికి సంస్కారపు సంద్రంలో విరిగి పడని కెరటానికి శిరసు వంచి చేసేద్దాం నవవత్సర తొలి వందనం.
A very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is a symbol of mutual relationship between teachers and students. I am very happy to be a part of this.
Happy Teachers Day to respected Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. I feel very proud to be a teacher because I feel teacher plays a vital role in the betterment of the society. He adapts the challenges and teaches the children to achieve their goals, to face the challenges. So I feel very proud to be a teacher. On this occasion, I wish all the teachers very happy Teachers Day, and even I want to wish my teachers a very happy Teachers Day, and to our respected Principal Ma'am for giving me the opportunity to be a teacher. Thank you one and all.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ముందుగా అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను ఉపాధ్యాయ వృత్తిలోకి వచ్చి 10 సంవత్సరాలు అవుతున్నది. నాకు విద్య నేర్పించి నన్ను ఈ స్థాయికి రావడానికి కారణమైన మా గురువులందరికీ పాదాభివందనం.